hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about mask knee. The term mask knee, mask and acne has taken off on social media. Experience skin irritation around the nose, lips and chin from wearing a mask. Masks are essential, mask knee is not. How to avoid pandemic skin problems? The COVID-19 pandemic has caused many of us to change our daily habits since March. Wearing a mask has become an essential behavior because studies have proven it to be the most effective way to reduce the spread and to protect us all. Wearing a face covering for long periods of time, however, can cause skin reactions ranging from itchiness and rashes to peeling and acne. What can you do to prevent mask knee? Wear a mask or face covering made of 100% cotton. Make sure to wash your mask daily. Keep multiple masks with you. Use detergent that's formulated without dyes and fragrances. Gently exfoliate twice a week. Avoid wearing makeup on the covered lower face. Skin breakdown that doesn't heal despite home treatment warrants a call to a doctor. And the same goes for rashes that are spreading or worsening or any signs of infection. Getting a professional opinion is especially important for people whose jobs or routines require a mask to be worn for a long hours. If you want to seek any help, do call me now to fix an appointment with us only at Glojas. Great skin doesn't happen by chance. It happens by appointment. See you at Glojas.